All right, so for this one, kind of more of the same stuff, right? So it's a multi-step. That means we're going to have to do more than one step to solve the equation, but it says the formula C equals 5P plus 215 relates to C, the total cost. So C is the total cost in dollars of hosting a birthday party at a skating rink, where P is the number of people attending. If Allie's parents are willing to spend $300 for the party, how many people can attend? So you start with the equation. Remember, this whole section is about solving equations for a variable, right? So I want to know how many people. In other words, I want to know what would P equal. All right? And they said the amount of money that they could spend would be 300. So C then has to equal 300. So there's two parts of this. One, I want to solve for P. So how do I do that? I undo what's being done to P. So I subtract 215 from both sides. You guys should write this down on your whiteboards real quick. I'm sorry. So now tell me what the next line looks like. I'll give you a second to write that down. So what am I going to put here on the left-hand side of the equal sign? Write down what you think should go there. And then show me your board. Write down this. Yep, that's right. Here, do me a favor and grab a board and a marker and an eraser for me real quick, and then I'll show you what I mean. So what you should have is C minus 215. These will cancel, and that's set equal to 5P. Okay? I have a marker here already. Thank you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and help you guys do this, but you got to do it one step at a time. So from here, I have C minus 215 equals 5P, like this. See this? Okay. So before I write on the thing, what do you think the next step is? Well, remember, we're solving for P equals some stuff. So that means I got to move stuff away from the P. So what do you guys think we need to do next? Write it down on the board and then show me your board when you're done. Yep. And now you need to write a little bigger. I can't see. Close. Switch that around. Remember, we're moving the 5, not the P. We're moving the 5. Yes, good. And you're catching up. So, did you guys get this? In other words, 5P means 5 times P. To move the 5 away, I have to divide by 5. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do on the other. Now, what does that mean? What is the final answer going to look like? Write down the final answer for me. On your board, write it big so I could see if you're far away from me. Then hold up your board so I could see it. There's a lot of writing going on. I think some of you might be overthinking it. Yep, that's it. Oh, I see you erased your board and wrote bigger. Okay. Ooh. All right, let's see what you have. And what do you have? That's right. Now, so you should have this. C minus 215 all over 5 equals P. Yes, that's a 5. Okay? That's what you should have, all right? I'll leave that up there for a second. Let you guys finish writing all of